Science Museum. On Tuesday, 328 people visit the Science Museum. How many people visited the museum on Monday and Tuesday? To begin this problem, I'm going to create a model to show the two parts in the story. Today we'll use a number bond, but there's lots of different ways you can show the story. On this side, we'll put 246, that's Monday. On this side, we'll put 328, that's Tuesday. Here is the whole, which we're trying to find out. Let's put our number sentence here. Okay, so there are lots of different strategies for this problem. The first one I'm going to show you is splitting the numbers into place value and then combining the hundreds, tens, and ones. Okay, so there's 200, there's 40, and there's 6. Now we have 300, 200, or 20, sorry, and 8. So let's build those numbers. If you don't have cubes or you don't use the virtual manipulatives online, you can simply draw this like you've done in class before. So 4 tens and then 6 ones. And now let's build the second number. 3 hundreds, 2 tens, and 8 ones. Okay, so now let's combine these. Let's combine the hundreds first. 200 plus 300 equals 500. That's this. And we have 4 tens or 40 plus 2 tens or 20, which is 60. And then we have 6 ones plus 8 ones, which can be reorganized into a 10 and 4 ones, which is 14. So now let's put it all together. 500 plus 60 plus 14, or 500 plus 70, because of this extra 10, plus 4. We'll put that together and we get 574. Strategy using the number line, where we keep one number together and then split up the other number. Let's start with 246. And then we're going to add in parts. So we'll add 320 and then the ones. So first of all, 246 plus 300 is 546. Then 20 more is 566. Now here's where it gets tricky. If we have this 8, it's hard to add on just 8 if you don't know the fact. So what we can do is think about, what do I need to make a 10 if I already have 6? So I can split this 8 into a 4 and a 4, and I can add on 4 to get 570, and then add on 4 more to get 574. These are the parts that I added. My 328, that's Tuesday, and this is Monday, and this is my total. Another way with even fewer steps is to start with 246, and then instead of adding 328, I just add 330 because I can look at it and add, and 330 is really close. So I will add 330, and I know that that's 576 because That's 500s. This is 70, and then 6 ones. So that's 576. But I added 2 too many because I only needed to add 328. So I actually need to go back 2, which would get me 574. So again, this is Monday. And then the 330 minus 2, which is 328, is Tuesday. This is the total of people who visited the Science Museum on Monday and Tuesday.